Hey, it's Ryan O'Brien, Gavin,
Hello.
Kiss FM. We are here with Alex Craig at Daniel Wertz booth number 120 here at the Westside Nightclub Fall Festival, and we are going to learn how you guys make potato tornadoes. So
Tornado.
what are potato tornadoes?
Okay, so we get a potato, just your regular potato. You put it on a long stick, and we actually put it on a big rod, and then they put a drill, and then it twirls out, and then when it comes out, it'll be like a long twist tornado on a stick, and then we fry it.
Okay.
And then we put stuff like that on it.
I like all that stuff.
I like hearing the word frying and tornado.
Let's see how they're made. Come on. Excellent. That's my favorite part.
All right, let's put it in. All right. Where are we going here?
Do the honors.
Potatoes.
Oh, it's gonna stay on. It is gonna stay on.
In you go. Now, how hot's that oil?
Extremely.
Okay, we'll go with that. I don't know if that's an actual temperature, but we'll go with that.
It'll work.
84 Kelvin. It's 1,000 suns.
So how long does this go?
Fry, baby, fry. Till it's done.
Till it's done. So there is
60
literally
seconds.
there's no science to this, whatever. Just like,
Oh, it's easy.
just eyeball. All right.
This is America, Ryan. We don't need no
That's not very
science.
common core with me, okay?
That's common core.
I need to know exactly how you do it and write it out.
I need to Pinterest this, like,
And make sure when you figure out that common core that you do math in the completely backwards way, because that's how it works these days.
That's right.
You can't just add numbers
Right.
together.
It's close.
It's close. Okay.
Close.
Are we looking for a golden brown?
Golden brown.
What was that?
Golden Brown was my high school nickname. And then, I don't know what happened.
All right, so out it comes.
Voila.
Then we put it on
And then-
paper towels to kind of
Let
drain,
it. Yeah.
and then season it in any way.
Yep.
What's our choices?
Choices are out there. Mr.
Oh, they're out
Lemons.
here. Okay. Ooh, they got the Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning. That stuff's all right. That's my favorite. All
Are
right.
you getting paid by them right now? You're like, yeah.
I would if I could. I would just for product alone. I'd be okay with that. Give me all the seasoning.
I also
All
like
right.
the Porsche.
All right. Well, thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm ready to eat one of these orange pies.
Yeah, get that real.
Now wait.
Get that real beautiful bean footage.
Gotta get the other side too.
You need other stuff from inside to put on it. We can put Parmesan on it.
Should we start on one end?
Yeah, Lady in the
Ready?
Tramp though.
That's a good tornado potato. Tornado.
Want another bite?
Yes, I do. Daniel Wertz, booth 120, down here at 11th and Franklin. Very good. Thank you, guys.